What's up, my loves? Welcome. I'm your girl, Tonyanicole. And what's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. Today, y'all, we have the Boxycharm Premium Box. I don't know which one is going out first, my base box or my premium box, but I'm going to tell you right now, boo, the base box. Ooh, I just want to, whatever. I hope that the premium box for March is hitting with a little something because if it's full of skincare, I will be super duper pissed. So if you guys want to see what's in my March premium box, stay right there because we're about to unbox it in about maybe 2 minutes, baby, or a minute. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. Ooh. All right, y'all. So as I've stated in my base box video, I did miss the choice date. So I really don't even know what choice was for premium, but I heard somewhere that the premium box, you will be able to choose 2 products in April. Now, I need to, when I finish this video, go and look for choice date. I probably missed it already. I'm gonna be so aggravated, but hopefully I didn't. I'll be ready to choose my product. But let me know if y'all heard the same thing, that we're gonna get to choose 2 products for the premium. That would be great. I didn't even choose one for this one because y'all, I completely forgot. Like, I literally forgot. So yeah, I don't know what we have. Today we're drinking on some red wine. Y'all take a dance break and a drink break. I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. And now, y'all, we're about to get down to the moment of truth. The premium box, boo. All right, y'all. So the premium box is the $35 box with Boxycharm. You're supposed to get 6 full-size products in this box. It's supposed to have a minimum value of $215. If that's not true, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. There is a link down below for you guys if you want to subscribe. Also, you can currently customize 1 item, but I think starting next month in April, you can do 2. So that's great, isn't it? Yes. So look, let's stop talking and let's just get this box on and popping, boo, because I want to see what we got. I'm so excited. Y'all, I don't know why I'm really excited because, I hope Boxycharm just, oh, Lord. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, the blue does symbolize the premium box. Let's set her on down. Oh, girl. All right, we get a card. Theme for the month is lucky. And on the back, we get some prices with all of the products. And y'all know I'm going to state those, give y'all the variation number towards the end of the box. So let's just go. I'm going to just pull out blindly. Let me just close it, pull out. First thing I'm pulling out is from Beauty Diva London. And this is the Diva Eye Brush Set right here. Perfect for your eyes with our cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. Okay, let's see what these looking like. Oh, okay. So we get, I like the color. We get 4 brushes here. Let's take them out the plastic. When we take them out, this is what the brush set looks like. You get 4 brushes, shadow brushes, and like shader brushes. I'm gonna be honest, they do feel kind of like cheapy, like plasticky, I guess. Bristles feel okay. They're pretty brushes though. It's a pretty set. I don't know, y'all. It's just kind of like, you know, I don't know. It's kind of cheap, like, to me. It just feels and, you know, looks. It looks pretty, but it feels just very lightweight. So let's see what these retail for. And these are the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. And girl, this is $48. Girl, no way. Like, $48. Okay. Moving on along, boo. Let's see if we can pick something that's gonna make me happy. Ouch, it hurt my little nail. Okay, so next product is from Glow Skin Beauty. Is this the JLo line? Y'all let me know. I think so. All right, this is the Hydra Bright Alpha Arbutin drops. Lactic acid and alpha something brightening serum. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. That's the box right there, my loves. There you go. Let me get my card so I can read off the card what this says. So this is, okay, this is reformulated drops to promote an even skin tone and visibly diminish dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, I do have that. It is a supercharged serum that is powered with alpha arbutin, a natural plant-based alternative, which imparts a natural, that's not right, which imparts a natural lit from within glow. This is a new launch in Boxycharm, and this retails for $54. Girl, $54? Ooh, okay. That's what it's looking like right there. All right, y'all. So I'm not going to open this. I'm going to wait because I do have some opened already. This is 30 milliliters of product, and you're just going to apply the drops to your skin after cleansing and toning twice a day. Okay, y'all, what y'all think about this? I've never tried it before. I'm interested in trying it, but you know, okay, cool. But $54? Girl, it's kind of expensive. All right. Next up, from Haus Laboratory. Isn't this like Lady Gaga's collection? Yes. Girl, they stole her little dogs and shot her little dog walker. Girl, that was something terrible, wasn't it? Oh, it's a lip liner. Okay, I have the color Supermodel. Oh, baby, they know already your girl's a supermodel. Okay, so this is what we are looking like right there. And let's go ahead and open it. It's just a red little sharpened pencil. Swatch it. Ooh, now, oh, baby, this is a good old hooker red, though. Look how pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I like it. It's nice and creamy. Went on very smooth. And this, my loves, retails for $16. Next up, let's just go right on top with this Cryptis Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. It's an eye serum. Oh my God. It's an eye serum and primer. And it's a shimmer palette from Cypress. Girl, let's see what this is in here. Okay, here's the palette. And we have like a little, what is this, oil? Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have this eye serum and primer right here. Oh, it's an eyeshadow primer. Okay. Is it supposed to be dry? Look, girl, look in there. I don't know if it's supposed to be dry, but y'all see, you can see way to the bottom, babe. I mean, is it empty? Girl, is this like supposed to look like this? It's nothing to suck up. Like literally, it's nothing to suck up. Look at that, y'all. Like, I don't know. Maybe I got to shake it. Let's try shaking it. Hold on. Maybe that'll help something. Okay, let's see. All right, I had to shake it up a little bit. It got a little bit on the dropper, but it still looks, I don't know, y'all. It just, I don't know. This is an eye primer right there. It feels okay. It stinks though. It smells like chalk or something. I don't know. I don't like that smell. Let's see what this palette look like. That's what the packaging looks like. When we open it up, we have a mirror. Hey, boo. That's the palette right there. So I'm gonna guess that this is like, oh, this is for your eyes and your body. Okay, it's a shimmer palette. It had no safety, no plastic over it. I don't know, y'all. I mean, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay. So the primer and the palette together, the eye primer and the palette. Let me see what this talking about on this card. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. All right, so this is the Cypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer and a Shimmer Palette Set. This pairing packs technology-forward skincare for illumination and shimmer. The Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the Shimmer Palette offers active, buildable shimmer for eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. And this is a new launch. Girl, come here. Now, listen to me. Bad enough the eye primer looked like it was empty. I mean, that's how it turned out on my skin. It kind of dried it out. I don't know. It looks like, I don't know if it's old. I don't know. Bad enough we got that. Didn't y'all give me this little palette with the basic packaging? You know, okay, cool. No problem. And these shades right here, right? No little covering over it, nothing, just like that. And y'all want me to believe that this retails for $145. Before y'all said, boo, I don't care with this brand, I don't care. $145, y'all expect me to believe that this is $140. Y'all expect me to believe somebody is going to pay $145 for this. I need Boxycharm to get it together with these prices, but stop adding these prices to these boxes to make up for the lack of. Like, it does not impress me at all because ain't nobody buying no girl buying. Okay, let's get to the next one because I don't want nobody to say that I'm being negative, Nancy, but girl, $145, like, seriously? Okay. And oh wait, we got another product, y'all. Okay. So this is from Kiss My Period. Says kiss here and my with a period. Okay, this is from Rowan, and this is a liquid lip balm, and we have the shade Charlie. Let's see. Let's see what Charlie working with. Oh, this is actually really pretty. This is the packaging. This is like my color, y'all. I actually really like this. That's the applicator, and it smells like a mint. Ooh, let me put some of this on. Has like a minty smell. That's what it looks like on my hand. This one right here, guys. And I like this little product. I like that. This retails for $26, guys. It's the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. All right, guys. And our final product is from Becca. Now, I heard earlier this month that Becca is closing down. They're not gonna be selling anything anymore because this is it for them because they just haven't been doing good in their sales. But one thing I will say is this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation is the shiznick. I love it. I've used this before. It is a little deep for me. Is Sienna deep for me? Let me see. I think I used to use Espresso. I think that one was a little deep. Oh, this actually might work. Oh, okay. Yeah, girl. Let me tell you, this foundation here, I have personally used. If I find my other ones, I probably won't. But I have personally used this foundation. Now, I will warn you, it is very, very, very thick. Very, very, very full coverage. So if you're not into that, this is definitely not the foundation for you. It has a nice pump. I am excited to see a foundation in Boxycharm. Like this, okay, this makes me really, really, really happy. And to get a color that could possibly work with your girl. I'm very excited for that. I'm sorry that Becca is closing, but I'm excited to get this again. Now, summertime is coming, so I will save this for next winter because I cannot wear this in the summer. But this stuff is amazing. If you have blemishes, anything, this will cover it. I love this foundation. So I'm definitely happy to see this in Boxycharm. Okay, Boxycharm. And this retails for $44, and that is the true price because that's what I paid, boo. Yes. Oh, but y'all, I'm telling you, it's so pretty. Like, oh, my foundation is so pretty. A little goes a long way. Trust me. Y'all know I wouldn't lie to y'all, right? I'm an honest YouTuber. Hey, well, my honest truth. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. We received this beautiful Becca foundation in the shade Sienna. From Rowan Beauty, this lip balm. From Glow, these skin drops. From Haus Laboratory, this lip liner. From Cypress, this $145 eye primer and eyeshadow palette. And from Beauty Diva London, this 4-piece brush set. So loves, these 5 products right here. 6 products. I'm going to put the grand total somewhere around this area here, which I know is going to be a ridiculous total. And my variation number is letter C, number 210-3212A/PM. Now, final thoughts. Oh, y'all, I already kept y'all a long time, but let me go and hit you with the final thoughts. Looking down at my box, I am like, not even, I don't know. First of all, let me just say this. Y'all, Boxycharm has been, since I started doing YouTube, Boxycharm was one of the first boxes that I ever got. Like, I would watch people's unboxings and they would be like so happy with Boxycharm. And at that time, it was only the base box. And they were like really good. So it made me want to get them. And I did. But since Boxycharm has like picked up, they added the premium box and they added the luxe box. They added luxe first, then premium. And I'm just like, I'm not really thrilled, you know? I got 3 makeup products. Wait, let's see how many we got. I got 4 makeup products, which these 3 here I will definitely use. This I probably won't. And I got a brush set. I do like that. And the primer and the glow. It was an okay box. The thing I am most excited for was the Becca foundation. But, I don't know, y'all. Boxycharm just used to be so bomb. And I'm not a Boxycharm basher. I just speak my honest truth. Some months they hit it out the park. Most months they don't. But it's my truth, guys. So I know some of you guys will probably love this box, and that is completely okay. Everybody has opinions, and everybody has a difference in opinion, and that is okay. I personally think that for you to put this item in here alone for $145 is like simply ridiculous, because that is like an outrageous price and nobody is buying it. But I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm just like, if this wasn't in the box, this would be, the rest of this could be thrown to the damn wolves. Like, honestly. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling Boxycharm this month. I'm just not. That's all I have, y'all. I'm sorry that I wasn't as super positive as I normally am. But y'all, that's why I say my channel is a channel. If you want to say your differences, you can. If you want to disagree, you can. If you want to agree, that you can. Long as we're respectful, we can agree to disagree, right? Absolutely. Because that's what humans do. We all don't think alike. Yes. Okay, y'all. So that's all I got, y'all. I'm not even going to rate this because I'm already mad at the $145 product. So that's right there. It's going to give me about a 1 or a 2. But, Oh, and these brushes being like $50. Girl, bye. Anywho, loves. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those are down below, guys. Boxycharm's link is down below if you want to subscribe and check them out. Hopefully they do you better than they've been doing your girl. And that's all I got, y'all. I'm going to talk to y'all in the comments and on my next video. Bye.